Hey guys, this is Amar Srivastava. तो कैसे हो सभी लोग? तो today I will teach you this song. Okay guys, so today we are doing this song. Song पता चल गया होगा because this is very trending on social media. तो करते start. Let's go. ओके गाइस, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. वी आर डूइंग द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या है? लेफ्ट लेग को ओपन करेंगे एंड ट्विस्ट करेंगे. वन टैप टू. दो बारी टैप करेंगे लाइक वन टू. हैंड क्या जाएगा? फ्लाई फ्लाई. अगेन बोथ करते हैं. वी आर डूइंग द बोथ. फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. वन टू. अगेन फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. वन टू. जब भी ओपन करेंगे and one. Right hand down, then twist, right hand up, then up, then one, two, three, four. We are doing two times. Again, five, six, seven, eight, one, two. After this, we are doing one, two. Same right leg को twist करना है like one, twist, two, twist. And we are doing the hand one, two. See, one, two. Left hand, one, two. Twist your leg, one, two, one, two. After this, same move your left, right leg like one, two. Left leg two, three. Again, one, two, three, and four. Hand कैसे move करेंगे like down, clap, clap, down, clap. First, two time clap. Second, one time clap. Again, five, six, seven, eight. Down, clap, clap, down, clap. Okay. From the top again. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Down, clap. One, two time and one time. Down, clap, clap, down, clap. ओके अगेन स्लो करते हैं टॉप से. फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. वन टू थ्री फोर. डाउन, क्लैप क्लैप, डाउन, क्लैप. ओके. आफ्टर दिस क्या करेंगे? ट्विस्ट करेंगे. ट्विस्ट 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 ट्विस्ट. अगेन ट्विस्ट ट्विस्ट twist and twist. Hand किया जाएगा. फर्स्ट मूव योर लेफ्ट हैंड. वन टू थ्री फोर. अगेन वन टू थ्री एंड फोर. ओके अगेन फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. ट्विस्ट डाउन, ट्विस्ट डाउन, ट्विस्ट डाउन, ट्विस्ट एंड डाउन. अभी हैंड के साथ बोथ ट्विस्ट करेंगे लाइक वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. We are doing two two four times. Two time left hand, two time right hand. Like one and two, three and four. Again one and two, three and four. Okay, from the top. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four. Down, clap, clap, down, clap, chain. One, down, two, down. After this, like water, like this, you do one, two, three, four. Again, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, थ्री फोर. अभी क्या करेंगे? ओपन योर राइट लेग. टैप टैप टैप. अगेन फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. टैप टैप टैप. अगेन फाइव सिक्स सेवन एट. टैप टैप टैप. अभी हैंड के साथ करेंगे. फर्स्ट डू विथ योर ग्रुप. वन with little wave. One, two, three. Again. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three. Again. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three. After this, move one, two, down. Again. Say one, two, three. Move this. ये तो पता होगा. Rolly, rolly. Okay. Then roll and down and move your leg only. Go heel. Only heel से move करना है like twist, twist, twist and twist and एक side freeze होना है like this side hold twist, 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 and twist. Again, this one. Five, six, seven, eight. One, then one and two. Roll down, twist, twist, twist. Okay, three time move. Oh, again, five, six, seven, eight. One, one, two. Roll down, twist, 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 again roll. One and two, then down, twist, twist, twist. Same, like three times twist. One, two, three, roll. One, two, three. Okay? Okay. Now, after this, we are doing a twist, 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 twist. Ha! Like one, two, three, four, five, six. Again, five. Only move your hand. Right hand up, left hand up. First move your right hand, then move your left hand like one, two, three, four, five, six. After this, ये नहीं करना है. Wait. Five, six, seven, eight. Five, six, seven, eight. One, then one, two. Roll down, twist, twist, twist. Roll down, twist, twist, twist. Then one, two, three, four, five, six. After this, okay, guys. So after this, we are doing again one, two, three, four, five, six. Then turn body right side. Then do one, two, three, four with leg. Only leg one time tap. One, one, two, three. Again five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three. Again five, six, seven, eight. Tap, then one, two, three. After this, up your left hand, then move your waist. One, two, three. With your hand. One, two, three. Then ha. Again. From the top, we are doing three tempo: slow, medium, and original tempo. Okay, chalo. Five. Let's go. Five, six, seven, eight. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, change. One, clap, clap, two, clap, change. One, two, three, four, one, start, then two, three, roll down, then one, two, three, roll down, one, two, three, change, up, side, up, side, change, one, two, three, change, one, two, three, ha. Okay. Now medium. Five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four. Down. Clap, clap, down. Clap, change. One, two, three, four, five, six. Then one and two. Roll and down. One, two, three. Roll and down. One, two, three. Change. One, two, three, four. Change. One, two, three. Ha 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 ha. Okay, we are doing in song. Yeah. Splash, splash, drip, drip, make way for a two shirt. Splash, splash, drip, wanna take it across the line. In the hair, the chase the time. Baby, everything can be so sad. I'm a faithful Lord. I just wanna die. I just wanna die. ओके गाइस, तो कैसा लगा आप लोग को? डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल और कमेंट करना मत भूलना गाइस, बिकॉज ऐसा ट्रेंडिंग सॉन्ग में लाता रहूंगा। डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।